I was born into a life of struggle, raised in poverty. But I will not let that define my future. I will work tirelessly, day and night. No matter how tough it is, I will never give up. I know that the road ahead will be hard, full of obstacles and challenges. Sometimes I will feel tired and want to stop or give up. But deep down, I believe that my dreams are worth fighting for. I keep my head up high and remind myself that many people have faced similar struggles and have still found a way to succeed. Each small step I take brings me closer to my goals. I have faith in my abilities and the strength inside me. I will learn from my mistakes, grow from my experiences, and keep pushing forward. With each effort I make, I am building a better life for myself. I want to inspire others who are going through tough times to also keep striving. Together, we can create a brighter future. I will turn my struggles into strengths and prove that I can achieve anything I set my mind to.